Today we're doing a pedal commander install on our 2019 Ford F-250 tow vehicle. Plenty of power on this rig anytime we're towing. Always nice to squeeze a little bit of extra gas mileage on this. First thing you want to do when you're installing your pedal commander is make sure your vehicle is turned off and your key fobs are away from your vehicle 30 feet. Second step, you want to make sure your driver door is open for at least 15 minutes. Next step, you want to locate the plug on top of your gas pedal. You want to disconnect your factory harness and put your pedal commander unit in line.
Today we're doing a pedal commander installation on a Toyota Tundra, a PC27 pedal commander. Toyotas are really good trucks. Sometimes they have lag issues, so the pedal commander will take care of that, no problem. First thing you want to do is make sure your truck is off. Then your key fob is away about 30 feet. Then open your door, leave it open for about 15 minutes. Then get behind your gas pedal, disconnect the stock harness, bring in your pedal commander and connect that right in line. Then you're all done. Put your pedal commander wherever you want in your car, or use the app and go Bluetooth, go wireless. Today we're installing a pedal commander on a 2019 Dodge Ram 1500. The first thing you want to do is make sure your truck is off. Then you want to open the door and leave it open for about 15 minutes. Then get behind your gas pedal, disconnect the stock factory harness, then bring your pedal commander and stick it right in line. Make sure you hear that click. You're all set. Pedal commander's done. Mount it wherever you want in the car, or hide it and use the Bluetooth app for hands-free control. For more information, go to www.pedalcommander.com. We're going to do an installation on a Chevy Silverado using a PC65 pedal commander. First, make sure your vehicle is off. Put your key fob about 30 feet away. Open your door and leave it there for about 15 minutes. Get behind your gas pedal. Find the gas pedal sensor and disconnect the stock harness. Bring in your pedal commander and plug it right in line. That's it, you're done. Go enjoy the pedal commander.
Hey guys, how you doing? Joseph Durso here from Team Pedal Commander. Today we're going to install the Pedal Commander Power Sports unit, PC152 on a Can-Am X3, it's 2018 X3 Turbo. We're going to walk through, we're going to go through all the steps of what you need to do to install it correctly. It's going to take just a few minutes. Unlike our standard vehicle installs, you're not going to have to take as much time for the ECU to shut down. It's going to be a simple plug and play procedure. Take a look, see how it works. So first, we're going to go to the right side of the gas pedal. You're going to find the OEM harness. You're going to unclip it, remove it. You're going to open up your pedal commander box. You're going to pull the male side of the plug, reinstall it into the gas pedal. You're going to take the female side of the pedal commander plug and plug it directly into the OEM stock harness. Now you guys have the ability, you can route it wherever you would like, under the dash, on top of the dash, but you're all set, ready to go out and have a good time.
My name is David Mackey, and a guy on a job site that I was working with had it in his Chevy Silverado, and because I didn't know nothing about the pedal commander at all, and when I bought my truck, I noticed that they had a lot of lag in the pedal, so I figured I'd give this product a chance.
So David brought us his 2018 Toyota Tacoma. We're putting in a PC38 pedal commander. First, turn off the truck. Leave your key fob 30 feet away. Open your door and leave it open for about 15 minutes. Jump behind your gas pedal and disconnect the gas pedal sensor harness. Then plug in the pedal commander. Now Dave's all set.
I like it. Do you feel the difference?
I can feel the difference for sure. Yeah, way more instantaneous pedal response.
So now that you've tried the pedal commander, first of all, did you notice a difference?
Absolutely, yeah. As soon as you accelerate, you can definitely tell the difference. There's no lag in the throttle anymore.
Nice. So what are you looking forward to now?
Racing my buddy because he beat me at his Nissan, so I want to be able to beat him in my Toyota.
Nice. So how are you feeling about it now?
I definitely like the product. I'm looking forward to getting some good miles out of that thing.
What was your first initial thought when you felt the pedal commander?
I wanted to do burnout is what I wanted to do.
When did you decide to get a pedal commander on your RV?
Last week. Well, obviously towing and going up the mountain, anything I can save a little gas mileage on is extremely important on these things. Well, you know, obviously any throttle response is important too. Anytime you're going up the mountain and kind of controlling your speed in general, I mean, it's really important to make sure that you're being not only as safe as possible, but as efficient as possible.
So John decided to bring his Ford E450 RV into Pedal Commander today. Wants to save some gas and at times maneuver better in traffic in this big RV. So the first thing you want to do is make sure your car is off. Then put your key fob 30 feet away and open your door for about 15 minutes. Then get behind the gas pedal, disconnect the gas pedal sensor, then plug in your pedal commander. You're all set. So John is about to test out his new pedal commander in his RV.
Sports car, but it'll feel a little bit more touchy.
Right? For sure. Yeah, that's extremely smooth. This is like when you're riding, this is how you want to drive.
Exactly.
Anytime you're in your RV, you want to ride this smooth. You want the RV to respond the same way. This is exactly what you would expect for a smooth riding RV, and you know, obviously when it comes right off the front line, it may not have that, but having this feature is incredible. Right there,
Yeah.
you feel it right there, yeah. But that's perfect though too, because you got to think about, for the most part, you're going to be driving the majority of the time on the highway, the eco mode.
Cruising. Yeah. You're gonna
And that's what's most important. You want to be able to kind of cruise at a nice smooth level that's going to save the fuel economy. You figure you have 400, 500, 600 miles ahead of you. Anytime you can save that gas is extremely important.
So is this the first time you try a car with pedal commander?
Absolutely.
What'd you think after your first experience?
This is insane. Really, really cool. I mean, you get why it is, you know, so important to have in pretty much any vehicle. You want to save that gas. That's really important. You know, on something like this, I get it, but if you want to be able to boost this thing up and get it running down the road, chasing its own tail, that's an incredible option to have too.
Yeah. So, safe to say you'd recommend the pedal commander?
Absolutely. This thing's awesome.
Hi guys, Amber here from Pedal Commander. Today we're going to install a PC07 on a 2016 Nissan Titan XD. In order for a safe and secure install, we have to first make sure the vehicle is off, the key fob is 30 feet away, and the door is open for at least 15 minutes. Step 1, we're going to disconnect the OEM harness from the gas pedal sensor. Step 2, we're going to connect the pedal commander to its corresponding locations and make sure that you hear a click at both the male and female end. Step 3 is to route the pedal commander harness so it does not interfere with any day-to-day driving. Step 4, mount the pedal commander unit to its desired location using the provided bracket and double-sided Velcro tape, or put the pedal commander unit up under the dash to use its full Bluetooth capabilities. Step 5, turn the vehicle on. If the pedal commander does not power up, then press the start button and enjoy safely.
In this installation, we'll be installing a PC78 in a 2020 Jeep Gladiator. First thing you want to do is make sure your car is off and leave your key fob 30 feet away. Open your door for about 15 minutes. Get behind the gas pedal, disconnect the stock gas pedal sensor, and plug in your pedal commander in line. That's it.